how depression will
go
develop.
depression.
You will always say, oh, kawawa naman ako, kawawa na ako. And then in the long run, wala ka ng buhay. Nakawawa ka na. Istorya-istorya ka sa labas.
Ito ang isa sa mga angel ko ngayon.
You go.
Alam mo guys, kami ay mga widow na. Tapos, ang mga asawa namin ay mga military. Kaya, palakad-lakad lang kami dito kasi ang mga edad namin ay dapat na walang stress mga guys.
Walang stress.
Pero lakad-lakad lang kami, pero may pensyon naman sa galing ng aming mga asawa na namatay as a hero sa United States of America.
Gusto mo na siya istorya lagi.
Oh, talaga? Oh, God.
It is a therapy to her.
It's okay. Whatever makes her happy.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What makes you happy? That's
So
fine.
what are you going to buy here?
I told you I'm going to get a stove.
Stove? Oh,
Yeah. A stove and a fan really costs mga 1,500.
Huh?
I'll give you a check, right? You
Yeah.
know?
When the moment I use my card,
Oh, yeah, that's what I said.
I have to use my card.
Use your card and then I'll pay you back.
Yeah.
I'll pay you immediately.
Yeah.
But the only thing is, we save 10%.
Yeah.
Then we can spend our
Guys,
money on
napunta
lunch.
kami dito sa Lowey kasi mayroon kaming bibilhin.
Kasi,
Sa isa naman
it's
ditong
only, it's
kasama
like you
namin,
just divide it,
siya
you
ay
spend
isang
10%, but
retired
then I take
nurse
you out to
dito
lunch.
sa
Yeah.
United States of America.
Tingnan mo yung garden center nila, maganda doon.
Ganun ba? So, titingin tayo mga guys. Okay. Sabi ito, uy. Nahirapan man ako guys. Sorry guys. Hirap pala itong mag-vlog na mag-isa lang. Mahirap mag-vlog mag-isa lang. Kaya ito ngayon ang nangyari sa akin mga guys. Trying hard lang pala ako ngayon. Ito ang Lowey mga guys. Harap. Lowey. Yan, ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Ganda pala dito. Maganda pala dito mga guys. Ganda ang flowers. Yan ang flowers. Ganda. Ay. Ito ang Lowey sa Amerika. Yan, pupunta na ako doon sa kasamahan ko. Dito kami, malaki pala itong Lowey. Ano bang pronunciation yan? Yan. Malayo na sila mga guys. Ako na lang mag-isa dito. Ito ang buhay vlogger mga guys. Yan. Mayroon kaming titingnan na washing machine. Yung kasama ko, na kaibigan ng kapatid ko, ay magbibili ng washing machine guys. Dami pala ditong mga washing machine. Yan. ito. Ano ito? Washing machine pala ito. Yung washing machine. Ito. Yan. Yan sila. Yan, pinipili na sila ng anong magandang washing machine. Yan. May mga ganda dito mga places.
They even have these, ano ba yun? I'm gonna ask her the difference.
Because this one, the difference of this sister, they don't have for the bottom.
Yeah,
That if you will bake it,
Yeah, I know.
Kind of
and they don't have self-cleaning.
Well, I'm gonna ask her.
There, she.
But most of them are self-cleaning.
Yeah. That's the wooden stove.
Look at this 5-burner. You say 500. This one you only say 100. What's the difference? Yeah, well, but that one you say 550.
This one?
Look at that savings. I'm gonna ask her.
ganda ng mga refrigerator dito. Ito mga classic style ng refrigerator.
Yeah.
What is the difference?
Because the baking, they don't have, but there is a broil. You'll see that one.
And I like the one that you just put it in here. See, our stove is over here.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's
Yeah.
the best.
I like the one because you don't have.
Yeah, they spend more.
And now they even have the. They even have a new one that like you fry. You fry it.
Yeah.
I'm talking about like.
You know, good to speak.
See, look at this. They have those. Now this is the new one. Talaga modern ito. I mean, really good. 1800. See. That'd be pretty, are they?
Yeah, that money.
Well, it's not the
Oh,
month.
that's lami, oh.
Now this is double.
Lami, and that is only one.
I know, but I don't need to. I'm not baking.
Wala rin makabake pa ka.
Well, she said, we'll wait a minute. Give me a minute. But we already went here, me and Chris.
Yeah.
And that's what I wanted, right there.
Even that one.
This one is double.
Yeah, I don't want double. I don't want double.
Yeah, but they have baking from here and
I know, but I don't want double.
No, why?
I just don't want any. I don't bake that much.
Yeah. She's not good for you. Are like Itel, she's selling in Tumada. She would buy that kind of oven.
Yeah.
Up and down.
That is oven?
She's selling, yeah.
Yes,
Up
that
and
is
down.
oven?
No?
yes,
Oh.
yeah,
I mean,
it's
do good
oven.
up and
How
down.
much this one? 999?
It's, yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice pictures, no? This is a brand new oven. Electric range. Maganda para ito kay electric range man. Yung sa atin kay gas man. Philippines kay gas man. Uy.
It is an apartment. We cannot buy our own stove. We provide the stove and the refrigerator. We buy the dishwasher.
Oh, I know that.
So, we just the type of the person that like that.
Which is good. I mean, I gotta buy one. But I like that. I like that too. I like this too. I like that. Next time I want to buy one of those.
Samsung.
2017. Ang ganda talaga, no? Microwave. At saka stove. Pero ano yun?
2,000, ano ba yan? Magkano ba yan? 2,741 pala
Oh,
yan.
yeah, fried.
Fry. You fry.
Yeah.
I don't eat it.
We cannot because we live in an apartment.
Ito pala ang ano, yung magandang refrigerator. Yan, no? Dami pala ditong mga appliances.
What do you mean?
Just warm and fry it. Yan, we use fries.
Mga oven pala ito.
So we cook every day.
Yan, oven.
It's your lifestyle.
1,169.
You like your lifestyle.
I like my style. Inanay mo?
Yeah, ganyan. Ganda, no?
Well, is that applicable to me? Not by
I
myself.
like this one. I like for some reason. Gusto ko